pleasant morning everyone. I am here to discuss about the layers of the Earth. We have here the 3D model of the layers of the Earth, which is the crust, the upper mantle, lower mantle, outer core, and inner core. So now, let's discuss about their definitions and importance. First is our crust. Our crust, it is the most outermost shell of the terrestrial planets. It is where you and I lived in. And so far, the thinnest layer of the Earth that only makes up about 1% of our planet. The crust is made up of many types of rocks, which is lighter than the rocks that are made of mantle. For the second layer of the Earth, we have the mantle. Mantle is composed of upper mantle and lower mantle. To discuss about the upper mantle, we have here Miss Cieli De Lemios.
The upper mantle is attached to the layer above it called the crust. Together, they form a fixed shell called the lithosphere, which is broken into sections called tectonic plates. Its composition consists of mostly solid silicates. However, there are areas that are molten, soft enough to move pushing around plates above. Rock samples from the upper mantle are occasionally brought to the surface by erupting volcanoes. The upper mantle's temperature ranges from 932 to 1652 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 to 900 degrees Celsius.
And next, we will discuss the lower mantle. The lower mantle is the rest of the mantle between the upper mantle and the outer core. It is denser and hotter than the upper mantle with a temperature reaches over 7,230 degrees Fahrenheit or over 4,000 degrees Celsius. The lower mantle is more solid than the upper mantle. It is comprised of olivine and magnesium and iron. The mantle makes up about 84% of our planet. The upper mantle consists of 20% and the rest is 54% at the lower mantle. The center of the Earth, which is the core, is made of two layers, the outer core and the inner core.
And now are going to discuss the outer core. The outer core is the only liquid layer. Is made up of mostly nickel and iron. It also is at high temperature, ranging from 4,500 degrees Celsius to 6,000 degrees Celsius. The hottest part of the outer core is approximately the same temperature as the sun. The outer core creates Earth's magnetic field, which protects all life on Earth. The magnetic field extends from the outer core through the mantle, crust, and atmosphere of the planet.
Now, I will discuss the inner core. It is a solid metallic ball made mainly of iron. It has an approximately 5,200 degrees Celsius or 9,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Although the inner core is very hot, it is not liquid like the outer core. The inner core is solid due to the pressure caused by the weight put on it by the Earth's other three layers such as the crust, mantle, and core. It has also a shape of spheroid or solid shape that is not quite a perfect sphere. It also helps to generate the Earth's magnetic field through interactions with the outer core. It is also growing 1 millimeter and year as the Earth cools. The inner core and outer core form 15% of the Earth volume.
Summarize the important layer of the Earth. The first is the crust. It is the outermost shell of the Earth, made up of rocks and minerals. It where life exists on Earth.
Next is mantle. The middle layer of Earth just below the crust. It is silicate layer which plays a vital role in evolution of crust, and it helps in providing the thermal and mechanical forces for plate tectonic movement. Next is the core. It is the innermost and superheated layer of Earth. This layer exists in liquid state as the temperature is extremely high. This layer protects us from the harmful radiation from space. And that's all our presentation. Thank you for watching.